The conference is the Canadian Responsible Investment Conference. It's an annual conference. This year it's being held in Victoria, British Columbia, between June 20th and 22nd. This year's theme is creating value while making a difference. And that refers to all of the ways that investors are working to make the world a better place through their investments. Certainly making a profit while they're investing, but also making their communities a better place in which to live or improving sustainability.
Over the past decade, Acuity has been involved in the development of socially responsible investing through a number of key initiatives. This includes our involvement as a founding member of the Social Investment Organization and a proud sponsor of their annual investment conference. In addition, we've been involved as a contributor to the Asset Management Working Group, which is an initiative of the United Nations.
At this year's conference, Acuity and AGF will be presenting a panel of companies who provide environmental solutions in the oil and gas sector. And we think this is one of the unique opportunities that this conference will provide to investors, because these companies are essentially providing answers to some of the questions that have been posed to the oil and gas sector in Canada.
For advisors attending the conference, we have a very important session called Transitioning Your Practice to Socially Responsible Investment. And we have a number of very seasoned and experienced financial advisors and other people in the communications industry that can help advisors with branding. And it'll give them good practical tips about how to move your practice along that continuum to serve socially responsible investors. One of the most interesting sessions that's going to be at the conference is a session involving one of the leaders of the conventional oil and gas industry, David Collier, the president of the Canadian Association of Petroleum Producers, and Tom Rand, a strong advocate for renewable energy.
My session at this year's conference is called Kick the Fossil Fuel Habit. And this is where I really lay out both the necessity and the possibility of making a transition to a low-carbon economy. I make the case that the technology we need is largely invented. The problems we face are how we move capital into the sector. What are the policy tools, what are the motivations, and what are the risks in moving capital into the sector, which plays into the socially responsible investing portion.
I think SRI is a particularly important area for investors to be considering in today's market environment, in particular because of some of the issues that are faced with investments in conventional mutual funds. I think people are interested in going beyond just the conventional analysis and to address some of these issues that are very pressing, be it the impacts of energy, be it the community impacts of mining. And I think certainly governance issues have become extremely important as well in the companies that people are interested in.
We believe these companies tend to have better impact on the environment, the communities, and are generally better corporate citizens.
This is going to be an exciting conference. It's a great opportunity for everyone in the financial industry, analysts, portfolio managers, advisors, to come out and learn about socially responsible investment so that you can help your clients invest their money in a way that is responsive to their social and environmental concerns while making a decent return.